What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We have a snowy day here in Jersey. Pretty white snow in dirty Jersey. Got around 3 to 6 inches yesterday. So we're gonna be doing the seat install today, but unfortunately we're not gonna have the pleasure of taking it out to the road to test it out to see how it feels. So I'm gonna give you a first-hand feel of what the seat feels like with me sitting on the bike. So as soon as we get some good weather, I'm gonna be taking the bike out, hopefully next week. Give you guys a full in-depth review of what the seat actually feels like when you're riding out there. I'm super excited. I already cut the box open, as you can see right there, but I haven't opened it yet. So we're gonna get a nice little surprise together. It's the morning time, so no sipping on beer today. I got my Café Bustelo right here. So good. All right, let me get this packing list out of here because I want to give you guys all the details on pricing and all the extra stuff that I paid for later on during the video. Let's go ahead and open it up, baby. All right, so for those of you who have been a subscriber of mine for a little while, you guys have been knowing that I ordered this seat maybe 3 weeks ago. So it's taking some time to get here and I'm super excited about it. The packaging does look really good. Comes with all this extra foam all over it. So you got 2 pieces of foam. Then you have the, oh, here it goes. Here goes the seat. So the packaging is really nice, guys. So if you're worried about packaging, I know some people are at times, yeah, you gotta know the packaging is really good. Then it comes in this nice little bag right here. Gonna go ahead and rip that open. Got a little weird smell to it. Oh man, this looks sick. This looks so sick. I'm gonna give you guys a nice little close-up shot right now of what the seat looks like. All right, so we got the 2-up Saddlemen seat. So nice. Pretty cool thing about this seat is that you're able to go on the Saddlemen website and you're able to choose the design you want. So I went ahead and I got the diamond stitching on the bottom and the diamond stitching on the passenger seat. You also have an option to choose the color of the stitching on the whole seat, which is pretty cool. So they had gold, brown, black, white, different nice little stitches. I just went ahead and I went with the all black. Thought it was pretty nice and clean this way. Got the Saddlemen logo right there. Pretty nice seat. I gotta say, it looks really nice. It looks really clean. Only thing I'm not happy about is the shipping cost, man. All right, so I'll show you guys what the seat costs right there. So everything cost $540. And there was a freight of $36. That's the only thing I wasn't happy about. I mean, I'm paying a lot of money for a seat, but I gotta go ahead and pay for shipping. That's, I don't know, it doesn't make any sense to me. Another reason why this cost a little more is because I also added the gel padding to the passenger seat right here. So usually the seat just comes with the gel padding for you. But you do have an option to add the gel padding back here for your passenger. I wanted my wife to be nice and comfortable whenever she goes on a ride with me, and that's the reason why I went with that. I've had heard a few reviews that the passenger seat has been a little rough, so that's another reason why I wanted to go with that as well. Want to make sure she's nice and comfortable. And this is gonna be a nice, easy install, guys. Pretty simple. All we're gonna have to do is just take this screw off right here. The seat is gonna pop out. I'm gonna lift it up. Then we're just gonna slip that one back in there, screw this back in there, and that's it. It's a pretty simple install. All right, so right in the bottom of the seat, you're gonna have this latch here that it was rotated before and it was screwed in, but I already went ahead. I unscrewed it. I took the bolts out, I rotated it, and this is gonna allow me to take my bolt, screw the seat onto the bike nice and easy like that. Real quick, I wanna go over all the details in the bottom as well. It's a nice material you have in the bottom of the seat. Nice soft, so you don't have to worry about anything scratching your bike. You also have these rubber mounts right here, which are gonna prevent your bike from getting scratched. So you got 2 right there. You have 2 more in the middle, and then you have some more throughout the seat right there in the bottom, which is pretty cool. I like that. Nice little details. So basically, all you're gonna need for this is a flathead screwdriver and then an Allen key just to rotate that latch on the bottom of the seat. And that's it. We're gonna go ahead and start, guys. Let's see how simple this is. Gonna turn this over. Nice and easy. This screws out just like that. Nice little bolt. Then you lift up, pull out, And that's it. That is it. Look at this seat right here. I gotta say, this seat was pretty comfortable, but I cannot wait to see how comfortable this Saddlemen seat is gonna be. And just the looks of it, it's gonna change the look of the bike dramatically. Like, dramatically. So the seat also does have this latch right here in the front. This is gonna latch onto the front part of where the seat goes. So we're just gonna insert. Let it lock in. All right, so as you can see right here, you have two holes, right? The first one is where the stock seat was screwed into. And the bike brings a secondary little plastic cover like this one right here that you can pop open, obviously because the seat is longer. Now this is inside of the fender, right? So it's real simple. You pop it down and it comes in. Now the only way for you to get this back in is by feeding your hand through the back of the fender, not the side, because you won't be able to get your hand in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Put it in there. Then you have this little black latch right here that slips right into it from the back, and that prevents it from falling through the hole. Now that's it, that's all set up. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna slip the seat in through the front, screw it to the back, and we're done, man. It's a 1, 2, 3 job. Remember, the front latch is gonna latch onto the front of the bike, just like that. Then you give it a little push back. You get your screw, screw it in. And just like that, we are done. And it looks magnificent. I love it. It gives it such a good look. So aggressive, so cool. Damn, I really wish there wasn't no snow outside, because I would have gone out for a ride right now. I don't care how cold it is, I would have gone out for a ride. We're gonna go ahead, guys. We're gonna throw a leg over it, see how it feels. Oh man, I like it. I like it. It definitely holds you in. I thought the stock seat that I had, like that seat actually holds you in pretty good. But this is like a wall. Like you're not going anywhere. I don't care how fast you're going. You're not moving out of here. And it's a little stiff at first, but like anything else, guys, after a few miles of you sitting on this, it'll break in. Because I've heard several people saying, oh, the seat is really stiff. It's really hard, blasey, 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 but just like anything else, guys, you gotta break it in. The more miles you put on your bike and on this seat, the more plusher I'm pretty sure it's gonna become. And I'm super hyped, man. Like, it looks really good. It feels good. I cannot wait to take this out for a ride. Like I said, next week, after everything clears out outside, even this week maybe, at the weekend, if everything clears out, I'm gonna take the bike out, give you guys a little review of what it feels like. But I love it, man. I really, really love it. Now let's see how it feels like to sit on the passenger part. It's actually not that bad. Like it's a lot of space here. Not the most amount of space, but it's pretty comfortable. And that extra gel padding that I added to the passenger part ran me around $45. So if you're asking yourself how much that was, it was $45 to add it onto it. The gel padding on the rider part of the seat comes standard on it, so you don't have to worry about that. But like I said, if you want to add extra comfort to your passengers, then it'll run you around $45 just for them to put that in. That's the reason why my seat was a little more expensive than the others. But besides that, I mean, the bike looks awesome with the seat. I'm really digging it, man. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I really like the way it came out. What you guys think? You guys like it? You guys like? I really wanted to go stitch it on everything, but I looked at the gold and it just looked really bright. I kind of want to keep everything how it is right now with that bronze look. I think adding gold accents on here is gonna make the bike look a little weird and just throw everything off. But let me know what you guys think. Drop the comments down below. If you're in the market for this seat, I honestly recommend it. I think it's an awesome looking seat. I just think it just literally changed the whole look of the bike, like dramatically. I really like it. I'm gonna take the bike outside right here in the driveway, take a nice little picture of it, post it up. That's it, guys. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're into any modifications, If you're into daily vlogs and everything like that, you're in the right place. Go ahead, comment, subscribe. Like always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby.